Use this meditation to make anyone confess their feelings instantly for you. This meditation instructs your subconscious mind to follow each and every command. Your mind always accepts and manifests what you feed it. However, your subconscious mind may need time to complete and update these changes. So you must continue reinforcing by listening to this meditation as many times as possible until the process is fully complete. Be consistent with this transformative experience and watch your desires manifest effortlessly. Now let's begin. They are constantly thinking about me and can't hold back their feelings anymore. They feel safe and confident opening their heart to me. They can't resist expressing how much they care for me. Every moment they are drawn closer to confessing their love for me. My presence inspires them to be honest about their emotions. They find it natural and effortless to share their true feelings with me. They feel overwhelming joy at the thought of being with me. They are eager to tell me how much I mean to them. They feel confident that their confession will be received with love and acceptance. They can't imagine another day without letting me know how they feel. They feel a deep desire to make their feelings known to me right now. The love they feel for me is so strong, they are compelled to confess immediately. They are confessing their love for me right now. They have a strong desire to see me and talk to me right now. I am constantly on their mind, day and night. They are planning our future together right now. They have always wanted to be committed to me. They are madly in love with me and want to tell the world. They are constantly sharing their feelings for me. It is already done. Type, they are madly in love with me and want to tell the world to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.